Time to eat again. As if you didn't know that. It's always time to eat. Today I'm going to make something delicious in my pressure cooker. I'm going to make pressure cooker chicken breasts. A complete meal. With brown rice, mushrooms, cream of mushroom soup, and broccoli. And it's only going to take about 12 minutes to cook once we assemble it. Come on over, I'll show you. It's so easy. Instant Pot. Alright, here today we're using Hothead Henry, my steam mate. Maybe you saw him in the background for a few years. He's a funny gadget that when the steam releases, it comes out of his ears and it protects your cabinet from blowing straight up. I haven't used that too much. I'm going to use them today because I thought maybe you saw him in the background. Okay, first of all, I have just about 3 cups of brown rice here. I'm going to add that first. Then I have 4 cups of water here. And I'm going to add 3 cups to the rice. I'm going to save a cup to rinse my can of cream of mushroom soup. Just give that a stir. My stomach's growling already. Now I'm going to add my boneless, skinless chicken breasts from Wegmans. This is a little over 3 pounds for $13. 3.3 pounds. My chef's hat is hitting the wind chime. Okay. This chicken is semi-frozen, believe it or not. And I've already did this with frozen chicken. 1, 2, 3. See? And there should be 3 in the next pack. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You like it so far? I do. Next, I'm going to add the cream of mushroom soup. Isn't this so easy? This is probably going to be the hardest part. Opening. But this is a good can opener. Thank you. Compared to my other one I used to have. Cream of mushroom soup. I like that. And this will work in any pressure cooker you have. It doesn't have to be an Instant Pot. Instant Pot is just a brand name. Look at this. Nice and creamy. Love those mushrooms. Get it all out. I'm going to add the rest of my water into that can. Try to get out all the goodness. Remember, I reserved a cup of water. Leave most of the creaminess on top of the meat. Perfect. I'm going to add some sliced mushrooms for a little extra. See them? Drain it off. A little bit of salt and pepper, or whatever spice you like today. Paprika, garlic, onion, whatever you want to put in there. Salt and pepper. I'm hitting my head on everything with the chef's hat. Give that a little bit of a stir. Still want the creaminess on top of the meat. I'm going to add this bag of broccoli florets. How much is in there? This is 12 ounces. Pre-washed and ready to go. You can microwave this right in the bag, it says. We're not doing that. We're going to steam it. That's why I want these on top. they're going to get more of the steam effect. That's it. We're done. Funny looking lid. See? Tinkle, tinkle. Make sure Stanley's steammate, our hothead Henry, is in the right position, which would be sealing. So you look that way for a while. We're going to set our pressure to manual, high, for 12 minutes. And that's it. Let the pressure build up for 6 or 7 minutes, maybe. Then it'll start counting down. Make a good meal. One-pot meal, pressure cooker chicken breasts with mushroom and rice and broccoli. Be back. Less than a minute remaining. Whoa, there it is. It sure smells good in here. Let's let the pressure out. You know, it really burns me up. Well, the good thing here is it's not going to blow up into my cabinets and stuff like that. Watch. That really burns me up, Henry. See steam come out of his ears? That's pretty neat. Yeah. All the pressure's out. Oh, it got so big. You know what? I had a problem while I was cooking this, that it didn't come up to pressure. I think I had too much rice in there. So I opened the lid and I added 3 more cups of water. That's why it's so full now, and the rice expanded so much. Wow, but look. Next time I would add 2 cups of rice and 5 cups of water. I did it before that way, but I wanted more rice this time. So like I said, it didn't come up to pressure right away. I added 3 more cups of water. Look at it. And I put it back in for 12 minutes. Let me put this out on a plate, okay? I have to taste it. What do you think? Sure smells good. It's not boiling in there. Oh, it's on keep warm. Well, anyway. Alright, let's take a seat. Look at the rice. Creamy. Oh, that cream of mushroom soup. Time to eat. Let's look at this delicious chicken. What a meal. Oh, look how tender. I don't know if you can tell. Pressure cooker chicken breast, mushrooms, and broccoli. Listen to that bubbling back there. Whoa! Mmm. Mmm. That chicken sure does melt in your mouth. It has nice creamy mushroom flavor. This is so hot, but I can't wait, you know. Broccoli's pretty good. Real good. And the rice is perfect. Look at it. Oh. So if you do it in your pressure cooker, put 2 cups of rice. It's usually 1 cup of water to 1 cup of rice. But I put in 3 cups of rice and I put in enough water, right? But the cream of chicken soup absorbed all that too, you know. And anyway, I needed 3 more cups of water. It came out perfect though. Thanks for watching. Try it in your pressure cooker. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. You want some of that?
Yep.
Okay, gonna eat some too.
You sure am. Smells good.
So good. See you later.